Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about how to replace a tail light bulb or a brake light bulb on a 4th generation Mustang GT. This vehicle was built in 2001, but the steps are going to be similar for all the other Mustangs that are in the 4th generation. To be able to access these bulbs, you have to do it from inside the trunk. So obviously, no brainer, you gotta open your trunk and you're gonna be able to access everything from in here. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna get this camera up close so you can see this better. So let's get started. First step from inside the trunk is to remove this clip right here. It unscrews counterclockwise, just like any other bolt or nut. There it is, there's the side. Once you have removed the clip, pull on this so you can gain access to the nuts that hold the tail lamp assembly in place. As I just mentioned, the tail lamp assembly is held by 4 nuts. So here's 1, 2, 3, and right back there where you see my finger pointing is number 4. The size of the socket and wrench that you need is 11 millimeter. You can break it loose first, and once they're loose, you can just finish taking them off by hand. Same thing, loosen it up, take it off, and take it off. You get the idea. Now the back one back there is going to be easier if you do it from up here. Just move this out of the way a little bit, like that, like I did, and you have plenty of room to get to it right there. So just remove all 4, and then I'll show you the next step. Once you have removed the 4 retaining nuts from the inside, all you have to do is pull on the tail lamp assembly, and there's really no need to disconnect the wiring harness because you can get to the bulbs right here. All you have to do to remove any of the bulbs, the socket, you just turn it counterclockwise about 15 degrees and it pulls right out just like this. I'm even going to bring the camera up close so you can see it. So here's how it looks like up close. So just like I said, just turn it about 15 degrees counterclockwise and it comes right out just like that. To remove the bulb, very simple, you just pull on it and it comes off. So here's something important to consider. If you live in an area that is very humid, you want to put the electric grease right here. That way when you install a new bulb, it's not going to get corroded and it's always going to make good contact. I live in Arizona, very dry. You can see this socket looks brand new and the car is 2001, so I'm not going to apply anything to it. I'm just going to install the bulb back on. And here's another suggestion. Even though these are not halogen bulbs like the headlights, it is always a good practice not to touch the glass of the new bulb. So you can use either a rubber glove or use a paper towel to install a new one back on. So I'll show you. So if you have seen some of my videos that I have posted to the channel in the past, you know that I'm not a fan of rubber gloves. So I'm using a towel. Just like that, the bulb snaps in place and you put it on the opposite way. Like that, and you go to 15 degrees and it locks. So you just repeat the same steps with any of the other bulbs that may need to be replaced. They're going to come off the exact same way. Just like that. Very simple. Once you have replaced the burned out bulb or bulbs, just guide your assembly back in place. Install the retaining nuts from the inside, fasten the cover that you loosened up to get to the nuts, put the clip back on, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to replace a tail light bulb or a brake light bulb on a 4th generation Mustang GT. Thanks for watching today's video. See you next time.